A lot of small YouTubers complain about getting low views or not getting views at all whenever they upload a new video. Well, this is because they ignore some things or they don't do some things before uploading these videos. Alright. Now there are some things you need to do before uploading your videos so it helps the algorithm recommend your videos to the right audience. Okay. So one thing which can happen that might lead to you not getting lots of views is the algorithm recommending your videos to the wrong people. And when they recommend the videos to the wrong people, they won't click on it because they're not interested in that type of content. So you need to do some things immediately after you upload your video or before uploading your video, sorry. So it helps you get the views you've been looking for. Okay. Now I know it's very discouraging to post videos, you create videos, you edit them. At times you spend money, you even sacrifice your time just to, come up with a video, and you end up posting this video, then you don't get views. It's very discouraging. This has made a lot of small creators, beginner creators, to give up their content creation journey or dream. Well, I'm here to tell you three things you need to do before you upload every video to enable you get, engagement, traction, and a lot of views on your content. Alright, if you do these three things, it's going to help the algorithm know the type of people to recommend these videos to and the right audience for the videos who are going to watch your video and give you the views you want. If you know you're interested in this type of content, this is Create with Joseph, and what we do here is we talk about tools, tips, and tricks to help beginner creators, grow on YouTube. So if you're interested in this type of content, then you need to subscribe to the community so we all grow together. Let me walk you through three things you should do for uploading every video to help you get views on your content. So if you look at this my video, you see I got over 7,000 views, and this one I got over 7,000 views as well. Now the first thing I did was that I changed, the file name of that content to the title of the video. Now, most of you, once you are done editing your content and you export, when you export, it comes with a file name, and that file name is nowhere related to the title of that video. It tends to be in numbers. You see this MP4, some sort of things like that, as you see on your screen. Now, a lot of you just go ahead to upload like that. You just go, maybe you're creating a video about how I spend my day in Lagos, right? A vlog, how I spend my day in Lagos, and that is the title of your video. Then after you're done editing this video, you export. Normally it won't come with that title, how I create my day, how I spent my day in Lagos. It will come with another file name. So you just go ahead and upload like that, putting your title, how I spent my day in Lagos, and you go ahead to upload on YouTube without changing the file name. That is bad. Alright. Now when you change the file name to something related to the title of that video, you change it from what it came with to, let's say, spending my day in Lagos, or how I spent my day in Lagos, something like that. It helps the content with SEO, that is search engine optimization. So the algorithm can easily study the content and know who that content is for. You understand? It helps rank that content high on YouTube. So never you upload a video without changing the file name to something related to that video. You don't upload like that. You can go to rename, or when you're exporting, you go to rename and you rename, the name of that video, rename the file to something related to the video. Do this, and I tell you, the algorithm will recommend your video faster to the right audience. The second thing you need to do is you need to give the algorithm at least 24 to 48 hours to study your content. A lot of you just go on YouTube. Once you're done with your content, you just go directly to the post or icon or the post section, and you post your video immediately. Like once you upload now, it goes live on YouTube now. It goes public on YouTube that same time. You don't even give the algorithm time to study your content and know who that particular content is for. That is very bad. Alright, that thing is killing your channel. Never you post it, never you post a video directly on public, or you just put directly on public, or you post a video now and allow it to go public now. You understand? You need to give the algorithm at least 24 to 48 hours to study your content. So instead of you uploading a video and letting it go public now, what do you do instead? You want to schedule. or you want to schedule your content. So if at all the content you create today is supposed to be posted, let's say if you're supposed to post a video today, you should upload that video on YouTube like yesterday. All right. So it stays on YouTube for at least 24 hours. Or let's say from you can leave it 12, 24, or 48 hours if you have time. This helps the algorithm studies your video, know if there are any issues, copyright or anything in your video, and also know the type of people to recommend this particular content. You understand? So once your video goes public, the algorithm must have studied the content and start recommending it to people who might be interested in this type of content. All right. So you need to give the algorithm time to study your content. Don't just upload now and put it immediately on public. It is killing your channel. Or schedule instead. Or you want to schedule your content. That is why that button schedule is there. It's not for fancy. It gives the algorithm time to study your content. Okay. Do not put on unlisted. No. Do not put on private. Put it on just go ahead to schedule your content. If you are supposed to upload a video tomorrow, then you should upload. If you're supposed to publish a video tomorrow, sorry, then upload today and schedule it. All right. Do this and come thank me later. Watch this video this far, then I want to beg you to please subscribe to this community so we all grow together. All right. You're going to get a lot of tips, tools, and tricks to help you grow your YouTube channel as a beginner creator. Now, let me tell you about the last thing you need to do before you upload your video on YouTube to get more views and more engagement. Now, the last thing you need to do before you upload your video on YouTube so you get more views and it helps the algorithm push your video to more people is that you need to study your competitors. You need to study other creators who have created that same content, similar content to what you've just created on YouTube. So imagine you created a video about, how I spent my day in Lagos, right? You want to go and Google, you want to go and search on YouTube how I spent my day in Lagos or something similar. Then you see the videos that are ranking. Okay. Now you want to see the videos which are ranking in this with this title, so you know how to tweak your title, you know the keywords to use, keywords to take from the one which is ranking and add to yours so it can help your own video to rank high also on YouTube. Studying your competitors is a very good way to go viral because these people have done it, they've gone viral. So if you study their strategies, the tricks they use, you too will definitely go viral. Okay, so you want to go and search, see the titles that did well, look at the thumbnails that did well, and then you know how to create yours to even do better than that your competitor. You understand? Going on YouTube is not hard. It just takes strategy, patience, and consistency. If you can do these three things I just told you now, before you upload every of your video on YouTube, trust me, your videos will start gaining traction. If you enjoyed this episode, let me know in the comment section and let me know which of these strategies you're going to try out first and which of the mistakes have you been making. Have you been uploading your content without renaming the file? Have you been failing to study your competitors? Let me know which of the mistakes you've been making so we can better talk more in the comment section. See you in a subsequent episode.